So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to mask text here in Alight Motion. So to add some text, first and foremost, go to the bottom right, press plus, then go to the right again and bottom right and press text. Add some text to your design. So if I just type in the word mask like this, I can then go ahead and make it larger. I can then change the color right there. How about I make it pink? If you wanted to change the font as well, you can go ahead and do that just like that. Once your text is selected, if you want to mask it, select the text right here, open up this option. Then I want you to go to where it says blending and opacity. Then I want you to scroll down to the bottom to where it says mask. And then once you're here, you can go ahead and select mask just like this, where if you were to go ahead and make it just like that, as you can tell, the background is included, and if you want to go ahead and play your video right here, the text that you just added is now masked to the video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to mask text in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.